We are here today at Cedar Point at Hotel Breakers, and we've decided.
There's some jet skis.
Yep, we're fixing to go ride. Now, the amount for an hour for the jet skis is $180. But the good news was you can switch off as far as who's riding and who's driving or whatever. So, I mean, you know, whoever wants to ride and chip in and ride, you know, you're able to. So we're gonna go do that, and that is down there at we're at Hotel Breakers now. It's down at the yep, and it's that's at the Windseeker gate.
Yes.
You can rent them online, but that is where you would go pick up. So we're gonna head down there. I'm gonna switch over, have the GoPro, and hopefully one of these two are gonna ride me around for a few minutes, and I'll get some footage, and I hope they don't throw me off. But anyway, that is just another one of the things that you can do here at Cedar Point, and go out on the lake there, on Lake Erie, and have a good time. So that's what we're going to do, and we'll share it with you. Be prepared when you come to sign up. You'll have to sign a waiver and watch a 10-minute video, but you can do that from your phone, I believe, with the QR code before you get down here. And you're going to have to take a boater's test. Tyler is always having to take a test.
We studied real hard.
In order to be able to drive. Is this just for driving it, I think, or is it because of your age?
Born after January 1st, 1982. We had to take this exam.
Oh, okay. That's why I didn't have to take the test. I didn't have to worry about that. Tyler and Zoe have completed their test. Y'all didn't cheat, did you?
Heck no. Why would we do that?
For your boater's license?
We're qualified boaters.
Qualified boaters. Once you get done signing your waiver and taking a test, picked out a life jacket. Right. We're headed down there to the beach. They said go out to the beach and somebody would be ready to send you off on your jet ski. Like I said, the place to rent the jet skis are right here at the Windseeker and the Wild Mouse up here at the boardwalk area. And there goes some. You can also parasail. They must have just took some parasailers out right there and coming back in. Just as a note, we got an hour for the rental. He did say
They will come
that
track you down.
they will come track you down if you're over that hour. Apparently, they do have trackers on the jet skis, of course, so they'll come track you down if they need to. Right, Zoe? So
Right.
no over the time.
No
fees.
racking up late fees.
Yeah.
Nope.
The rule is you have to stay 200 feet from every other boat and jet ski, okay? And if it's going slow, it's probably because you're within 200 feet, so you'll go faster if you're out of it. Alright? You guys can follow me? Alright, enjoy.
Thank you. Alright, send it. Oh yeah. Oh Lord, we flipped over.
You know.
I was trying to film, but you were going so crazy I couldn't really reach over and hit the power button. Alright, we're good. We're getting ready. We're good, we're good.
We're good.
Hang on. Okay, we get up here. We're good. Alright, we're good.
Good.
Alright. Well, that was something. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, don't flip it over again.
Here, you go ahead and drop it.
Alright. Oh, my son is driving. Alright, we're good. I'm in control now. Oh, Lord. Alright, you gotta tell me where my boundaries are. Oh, you passed the boundaries? Alright, we're good. so we switched back up. But we are ready to go. Ready. Well, we flipped off again. It's hard to film and do this. Alright. Well, you should get on first since you're driving. Oh Lord, the guy's coming back. It's gonna be like, them people again?
Hey, we were getting hot.
yeah, we did the whole on purpose. Oh, here he comes. Let me get up before I have to get launched again.
Yeah.
Launched struggling. Oh shoot. See, we're experts at falling off jet ski.
Hard to get going once you're out here.
Good Lord, bro, look at this. Oh Lord, well, push it back up over here. Alright. You're the best what's it called, jet skier driver ever. It is, that's true. That guy's about to get tired of us. Alright, get back on.
Yeah.
Did you just like kick it? Yeah, the guy didn't even come out this time.
They say we're pros.
Yeah, we're pros at getting back on. We may not be pro drivers, but we're pro faller offers. Alright.
What's that?
What?
My mom will come around.
Them two are going to switch. Alright, my turn. My turn to drive now.
Makes you feel a little better.
Yeah.
Workout.
Yeah, it's a workout, all right. Okay. Oh, so. Oh, Lord. Oh, no. Okay. I'm convinced Zoe's trying to throw me into the... Oh, Lord.
Alright.
Zoe's trying to throw me off this thing for sure.
Let me get it together. You ready?
She's trying to throw me off. Seriously.
I turned it that way and the thing goes that way. Alright, get ready.
Okay, I'm trying.
Oh, Lord. We get thrown off, it's not intentional.
All right, y'all. I just got off of the jet ski with Zoe, so Tyler took Zoe out for 30 minutes, and then they came in and got me, and Zoe took me out. I did survive.
We'll put Zoe in a race car.
Alright.
Woo! She would be a good one, let me tell you. Tyler said they actually fell off, what, 2 or 3 times out there? I didn't fall off, but I almost did. And whew, I got the jet ski hair now instead of the coaster hair.
Yeah.
But what a fun way, just extra activity to do here at Cedar Point. I mean, riding the lake, going back and forth, and just seeing the coasters and the skyline. Pretty awesome. So Zoe said she probably wouldn't do Cedar Point again without doing the jet skis.
For sure.
So lots of fun. We do suggest it, and let me tell you, you're not going over your hour limit because they got trackers on them. And like Zoe kept riding, and he come and chased us down. I saw him coming, and I was like, "Oh, we're coming, we're coming." We acted like we were coming in.
Yeah.
But great time, y'all.